Hey everybody, this is Miss Doak, and I'm going to show you how to do a Dropbox assignment, okay? This can be kind of confusing for some people when we're first getting started. So this is what it looks like for me. It might look a little bit different for you, but that's okay. Basically, you just go to the module and pick the lesson that you want. Since we're on lesson 12. I just clicked lesson 12 and you see all the links to the lessons. But then I see this. This means that we have an assignment that's due. You actually are going to have to turn in something to this link, okay? We're going to call these Dropbox assignments, and that's just where you click the little hyperlink. This is called a hyperlink. You just click it and it will open up another screen where you can actually upload a document, okay, like a Word document. So let me just try to show you, okay? So it'll have a due date. This one's August 31st at 5 p.m. They all end at the very end of this semester. So the very, very last day that you can turn this in is December 8th, okay? So maybe you turn it in and you don't get the grade that you kind of wanted, okay? Well, I'll have feedback on that assignment. You can actually use the feedback that I give you to correct your assignment and turn it back in, okay? And I can regrade it and maybe your grade will go higher, okay? So this is what you'll do. You'll look for digital materials and you'll click the graded assignment document and the rubric assignment, okay? First, though, you always want to go through your lesson and make sure you know what to do. I'm just going to go to the lesson that just really explains the assignment, okay? So this is going to completely tell you basically what you need to do, okay? Write one paragraph with a topic sentence, supporting details, facts, evidence, and a concluding sentence. So all you have to write is just one paragraph. Your whole paragraph is going to be in response to this question. So this is your topic right here, basically, okay? What does Baba Abdallah, his blindness, symbolize? So think about what his blindness symbolizes in the story, like what was it a theme for, and give us supporting details like evidence and facts from the story that kind of help you know what his blindness symbolized, okay? So let me pull up some of the documents that will tell you what to do. This is what the assignment document looks like. So when you click that, this is what will pop up. It's a Word document, and it's just the assignment. You can definitely type your answer on here, okay? You can type your whole paragraph right there. And then I would just do save as, save it to your computer, and maybe you can create like a folder or something for all of your English assignments. But basically you always want to erase whatever pops up right there and maybe do Module 1, Lesson, I think it was 12, yes, 12. Lesson 12. And then put your last name. I'm going to put my last name right there, but you can do your last name, okay? And then you just hit save, okay? And it will just save it to your computer. And that way you can turn it in to me after. And in case something goes wrong on my end and I can't open it, you'll have it saved on your computer and you can always resubmit it if I need you to, okay? So that's what you want to do. You just want to read what it says and do that. Sometimes you might have to open up a new Word document or a PowerPoint or something like that, but for that one you can probably just type it in there. So this is called the rubric. This is really overwhelming for some people, so that's why I want to show it to you really quick. The reason that this is so important is because this is what I use to grade your assignments, okay? So every single one of the Dropbox assignments will have a rubric, and that is how I grade, okay? So it's really helpful for you to know what you really need to do to get the highest grade possible. So if you notice, 27 to 30 points is going to be the highest. 23 to 26 points is kind of okay. This is a little bit lower, and then this is below 18 points. So basically you can think of it as A, B, C, D, or F. Okay? So if you want to do your very best and get an A, I would stick towards this column and just really read whatever this says. You don't necessarily have to read that. Okay? So each one kind of tells you like a different part of the paper, okay? So this is telling you write a paragraph with a topic, sentence, supporting details, facts, or evidence, and a concluding sentence. And it says you did it well right here. Interpret symbolism. So this is kind of showing that you understand that his blindness is a symbol for something else in his life, okay? So if you can explain what his blindness is a symbol for, then that's showing that you understand symbolism and can interpret it, okay? And then vocabulary. Try to use some of the vocabulary words from the module. And what I say sometimes to people is if you use vocabulary words, highlight it so I can easily see that you use that and you earn that 5 points, okay? And what I mean by highlight is like, do that, okay? All right. And then grammar and spelling. Students' writing is free of grammatical or spelling errors, okay? So each one of those has a possible points that it's worth. And if you can do all of those in this exemplary column, then you'll get a perfect score, hopefully. Okay, so definitely let that be your guide. So hopefully that makes sense. You have your assignment document and your rubric document, and they're both very important, okay? So to turn in your assignment, don't forget, you just go to the lesson and click the link by this little box thing. Okay, so you'll just click that link and you'll just upload your finished document there. Okay, if you need any help with this, come to Live Help or you can email me. Okay, have a great day. Good luck.